Salok na, Ma'am Rod. Salok. Dami po, 3 pa dito na. Wow, food trip dito sa Baguio. Madami.
Ayan, and may we ask our participants kung pala lahat ng mga participants natin, if you like going for this morning, mag-iwag po muna kayo kasi we'll be having our group photo. So all of our participants from the University of
Madami yung mga
Hotel Riyadh,
sa Baguio City. Nandito tayo sa kapital ng Baguio. Pan at maraming mabibigan.
with our judges. So before you leave po, may iwan po muna kayo dito.
Daming souvenir.
Yes.
Ano?
So yeah,
Alam
mga
na.
judges.
So may we ask from our judges kung ano po ang opinion mo for our last dish for this morning.
We're here to watch our Mablena.
Titigim tayo ng mga dami. Tuktok ko ng Baguio mga Ayan. Chef.
Tikman namin, yun yung kakaiba. So, for that, right, hindi ko makakaisip na may figure ng público. So, very good. Ito, okay naman, pero siguro nga dapat we have in mind what's specific. Pero okay naman. Again, yes.
Ano tita, Sam?
Gilong ako nga rin. Teka lang, gilong. Lang gilong.
Galing. Looking at the surprise sa sweet. Tapos yung kiniin. At first, nahanap ko yung
One, tita.
pero yun pa
Ito
rin.
muna. 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa. 1,
Thank
2,
you.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations.
Meron pa po. Meron.
Thank you very much to our judges. Thank you very much, Baguio Central University. And now, as we move on with our program, we ask our secretariat to gather the scores
Wait na po.
as we tally. And the winners will be announced on our closing day on April 27.
All our participants from the University of Luzon, from Venus Parkview Hotel, from Hotel Dian, from Austin International Institute of Culinary Arts and Business Management, from Bistro Bonicho, Becker Cruz, Excalabon, BSU, and BCA.